Hi, good morning everybody. Today I am started third semester groups. In these groups, first we have to know about binary operation. Okay, what is a binary operation? Binary means two. Operations means plus, minus, into, division. In general, we use these operations between two numbers. For example, 4 plus 3, 6 minus 2, 2 into 3, 4 by 2. Okay, definition of binary operation. An operation store is said to be a binary operation on a set A if store is a function from A cross A to A, that is f from A cross A to A. We already know about A cross A. Okay, now for example you have to consider A is equal to 1 comma 2. A cross A is equal to 1 comma 2 cross 1 comma 2 is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, that is A cross A. Okay, we have to now coming to the definition of binary operation. An operation store is said to be a binary operation on set A if store is a function from A cross to A. For example, have to consider plus is a binary operation on set N or not. Okay, n is we know that n is a natural number. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we will check that plus is a function from n cross n to n or not. Okay, now we have to consider n cross n like as 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and so on, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Now consider n as like as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Now n cross n 1 comma 1 is equal to, here plus is a binary operation, so we have to apply in 1 comma 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 belongs to n. Okay, 2 belongs to n. 1 comma 1 is mapped to 2. Okay, next again now again we consider 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 here. 1 comma 2 is mapped to 3. Okay, now we have to consider 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, next and so on 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 comma 2 comma 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 comma 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And 2, that means 2 comma 1 is mapped to 3, 2 comma 2 is mapped to 4, 2 comma 3 is mapped to 5. Okay, we can observe that for every element of set n cross n there exists a unique element in n. Therefore, plus is a binary operation on n. Okay, now similarly we can observe that minus is not a binary operation on n. For example, 1 comma 1 belongs to n cross n, but 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 does not belongs to n. Therefore, minus is not a binary operation on n.